EVS. In this video we are going to continue with Unit 10 Story of Walls. In the last video what we have learned about the forts which are very nice, like magnificent palace. In that we have learned about that palace is very impressive. The engineering work which is done in that palaces that are very nice and which is not possible even today's date, that was done in those earlier days. So we have learned about magnificent palace. We have learned about Golconda Fort and Uppercut Fort, which are the things which are available in that forts. And yes, why the kings are doing attacks on each other. वो लोग क्यों एक दूसरे के ऊपर attacks करते हैं? They are thinking he is my enemy, he is my enemy. Why? Because they want to take their area in their particular own area to increase it. क्या करते हैं बड़े बड़े जो kings होते हैं ना, they want to take out the small areas of the kings. Small kings का जो area है, they want to take in their particular area and they want to increase their own kingdom. वो अपने kingdom को बढ़ाने के लिए ये सारी चीजें करते थे. That's why they were doing the attacks on each other by using different weapons, guns and cannon also. Okay. Up to this we have learned in last video. Today we are going to start with new topic, and that is arrangements for water. See, we have learned they are doing attacks and all. So many persons are living in the fort also. मैंने आपको बताया the whole town can live in the fort. इतनी सारी जगह होती है वहाँ पे. But they are living. How they are getting the water? Water कहाँ से मिलता है? So here is the solution. The Adhikadi Vav. It means this is one step well. Name is Adhikadi Vav. Step well is 310 feet long. Its shore is very deep and wide with 166 steps in the step well. कितने steps हैं? 166 steps हैं. Around 300 feet deep तक जाता है. वो इतना deep है, इतना long है वहाँ पर कि वहाँ पर बहुत सारा पानी इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं. We can collect so much of water in that step well, and it is around 166 steps to go down to the step well and then collect the water. Now Navghan Kua, this is well, is 171 feet deep, around 204 steps. क्या है वहाँ पर उसके कुएं के आसपास? जैसे हम नॉर्मली बात करें, well is not having the stairs, but here this is the Navghan Kua. This is a well in which the stairs are around the well. Well के आसपास बहुत सारी stairs है. Not like a step well. Step well में कैसा होता है? कंटिन्यूसली नीचे जाने की सीढ़ियाँ अलग और ऊपर आने के लिए stairs अलग होती हैं. But here in this kuwa, in this well, around the stairs are there. Different stairs are there, and that around that stairs there are open windows also. वहाँ पर open windows भी उन्होंने रखी हुई हैं. Why? To allow sunlight and air to enter. Why? जैसे कि ना well में क्या होता है? If suppose sunlight और air proper नहीं मिला, that well water will get dirty. वो well का पानी बहुत ही ज़्यादा dirty हो जाएगा, गंदा हो जाएगा. That's why there are stairs around the well which have open windows. वहाँ पर open windows होती हैं to allow the sunlight and air to enter easily. वहाँ पर easily वहाँ water, air and sunlight can pass with step well and wells that are open windows have done it. So which are the two things for them to get the water? First is step well and second is well, from where the fort persons are getting the water. People living in the fort used to get the water from the step well and well. इस step well और well में से उनको पानी मिलता है, and they are used to get that water from these wells and step wells. Okay. So here let's start with the new topic, and that is what a sad sight. What is the meaning of sad sight? Sad it means एक ऐसा vision जो हमने देखा है and that is not good. So here let me clear with you. I am talking about the walls of the forts, of the caves. हम लोग बहुत सारे caves, गुफाओं में जाते हैं, बहुत सारी historical places देखने जाते हैं, right? Forts also maybe you have seen. In that forts maybe you have noticed that on the walls there are so many names of the persons. बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने names वहाँ पर लिख दिए हैं. Why? They are spoiling the wall. वो अपने नाम लिख कर they are thinking that if we will write the name so it is looking good. No. If we are spoiling the walls of the fort, of the caves, it is making that walls very ugly. बहुत ही गंदा बना देते हैं उन walls को because of our name. So here we are the reasons. People are the reason to make this to spoil the walls of the historical places. So here I want to clear the thing. First of all, whenever we are visiting to the cave, हम caves में जाते हैं हम क्या देखते हैं? Talking, whistling, listening to our own echo. Yes. हम क्या करते हैं? जो भी हम बात करते हैं, if we are whistling, we are talking, तो हमें क्या सुनाई देता है? Listening to our own echo. हमें हमारा आवाज़ फिर से सुनाई देता है. Suppose like hi, तो फिर से आपको सुनाई देगा hi. Why? Because वो वहाँ पर closed area है. जो caves होती है वो closed area है, और उस closed area में जब हम कुछ भी बोलते हैं, suppose हमने सीटी बजाई या हमने कोई word बोला, तो उस word का same repetition आपको सुनाई देगा. That is called as the echo. इस वजह से जब हम विजिट कर रहे थे देन द ऑल कजिन्स जो उनकी दीदी थी वो सब साथ में जब विजिट कर रहे थे फ्रॉम द बुद्धिस्ट केव दे हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट टॉकिंग विजलिंग दैट ऑल द साउंड्स आर कमिंग बैक एज अ इको. बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स स्टेड देयर. मॉन्क्स इट मीन्स वहाँ बुद्ध भगवान को जो मानते थे, वहाँ के जो संत होते थे, द पर्सन्स हु बिलीव इन बुद्ध भगवान, दैट पर्सन्स आर स्टेड देयर. वो वहाँ पर रहते थे इन दैट केव्स एट द अर्लियर टाइम. These old walls have seen so many kings, queens, horses, elephant, war and peace also. Yes, ये जो सारी walls है ये तो काफ़ी टाइम से यहाँ पर है, right? From the 1000 years of ago, the first king has made, and then after up to this time the walls are same only. So that walls have seen so many different kind of kings, queens, horses, elephant, and they have seen the war and peace also. कभी लड़ाई हो जाती है आपस में, कभी शांति से एक दोनों बैठकर अगर एनिमी कंट्री एंड दिस kingdom are talking to each other and they are settling down all the things with the peace, that all the things different observations that all have done. But people have spoiled it by writing their names all around the wall. As I told you, लोगों ने क्या किया है, उसको spoil कर दिया है by writing their names on the wall, and that is not a good thing. So that is our responsibility. I want to tell you, whenever we are going to any historical places, we have to keep it clean only. We don't have to write anything on the wall. We don't have to throw the garbage on the floor. कहीं पर भी फ्लोर पे हमें कचरा नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. We have to use dustbin. So that is our responsibility to keep that historical places clean. Okay. So here our last topics are close your eyes and go back in that time. अब तक हमने ये देखा कि how they are doing the attacks, how the forts are visible. That's things we have learned. So here we will see what is the lifestyle of a king. What the kings are doing sitting in the fort. वो अपने महल में बैठ के, अपने fort में बैठ के करते क्या हैं? How they are living their life, what they are eating, how they are managing to solve the problems of their people. Okay, so first is the king is holding a meeting with his ministers. Regularly he is holding the meetings with his ministers to know proper situation of their kingdom. वो अपने kingdom के बारे में जानने के लिए what is the situation of persons, what things they need in the kingdom. For that they are regularly doing meeting with ministers. He is wearing traditional dress and lots of jewelry. Yes, this is a wearing style of a king. क्या wearing style है? They are wearing very traditional dress. बहुत ही ज़्यादा heavy traditional dress they are wearing, and they are wearing very lots of jewelries also. वो बहुत सारी jewelries भी पहनते हैं. Many types of Mughlai food, drinks and sweet dishes are offered to him as a dinner and lunch. उनको फूड में क्या क्या दिया जाता था? मुगलाई फूड. मुगलाई इट मीन्स दिस इज अ राज, बोलते हैं ना राजाओं का जो खाना होता है, जो किंग्स खाते हैं, हैवी फूड, पूरी, जलेबी, रबड़ी, दिस टाइप ऑफ हैवी फूड दे आर गेटिंग. मुगलाई फूड, ड्रिंक्स एंड स्वीट डिशेज ऑल्सो. इन ड्रिंक्स वी कैन इंक्लूड दे आर ड्रिंकिंग सम मदीरा एंड ऑल. पहले के टाइम पर वो लोग मदीरा पीते थे. दैट टाइप ऑफ ड्रिंक्स एंड स्वीट डिशेज आर ऑफर्ड टू हिम एज अ फूड, एज लंच एंड डिनर. एंड आफ्टर दैट what they are doing, they are getting worried again and again. और क्या करते थे वो, उनके माइंड में ना एक वरी रहता था, always in a tension that if any enemy kingdom will come to us and then they will attack us. So they are getting ready for that also. वो लोग पहले से पूरी प्लानिंग करके रखते थे how to defeat the enemy kingdom. So that is also the planning they are doing by sitting in the fort. They are thinking about the enemy kingdom and they are arranging their planning according to that. So these are the works that kings were doing. How they were living, what the dresses they were wearing, which food they were eating, and how they were planning to do the solution of the enemy kingdom. उस enemy kingdom से अपने आप को बचाने के लिए, for the protection, how they were doing the planning, that all the works are of the kings at the earlier times. Okay, so now the next topic is museum. Now आप सबके माइंड में डाउट होगा कि मैम what is museum? Maybe you have visited but you don't know what is the proper meaning of museum. So many ancient items are kept there. क्या होता है यहाँ पर? In museum you will able to see so many ancient. What is the meaning of ancient? Ancient it means old. Very old items you will be able to see there in that museum, like pots, vessels. Vessels it means utensils. जो बर्तन हम लोग घर पे यूज करते हैं ना, these are the utensils. Then jewelry also, the jewelry of kings and queens, what they were wearing, the wearing style of them, उनके जो clothes होते थे वो भी म्यूजियम में रखे जाते हैं. Why these all the things are kept? ये सब क्यों रखा जाता है? What is the use of that? So if these would not have been preserved it means अगर उनको सेव नहीं किया जाता, saved, और वी कैन से उनको अगर बचा के नहीं रखा जाता, हाउ वुड वी नो पीपल ऑफ दोज टाइम्स लिव्ड? हमें कैसे पता चलता पहले के लोग कैसे रहते थे, व्हाट दे यूज्ड टू मेक डिफरेंट थिंग्स, उन्होंने दूसरी चीजें बनाने के लिए क्या क्या यूज किया था, how they were making the big guns that we called as cannon, how they were making weapons, how they were doing the carving work on the wall के ऊपर वो carving work कैसे करते थे. So that all the things we can come to know very easily with the help of museum, because in museum there are so many things that are available and we can know more about the history with the help of museum. Here I want to tell you also to do one activity to collect old things from your parents, from your grandparents. आप अपने पेरेंट्स और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से ऐसी पुरानी चीजें कलेक्ट करो एंड देन यू कैन ऑल्सो सी दीज आर द थिंग्स विच वर यूज्ड एज द अर्लियर टाइम. नॉट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 1000 years ago, बट एटलीस्ट हम लोग ऐसी कोई चीजें कलेक्ट करें जो आपने नहीं देखी हैं बट योर पेरेंट्स एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैव सीन. यू कैन कलेक्ट फ्रॉम देम लाइक ओल्ड कॉइन्स. 50 पैसे का भी एक कॉइन होता था, 25 पैसे का भी एक कॉइन होता था. दैट कॉइन्स यू कैन कलेक्ट फ्रॉम योर एल्डर्स एंड देन you can see these are the things which were used at the earlier time. So here in this video, what the topics we have completed, we have learned about the king's lifestyle, we have learned about museum, and then yes, we have learned about the things which are used for the wars. War के लिए कौन सी चीजें वो लोग यूज करते हैं. That all the things we have covered in this video. Okay, so today we have completed our unit number 10, story of walls, of the forts and different. Yes, we have learned about people who are spoiling the walls by writing their name. And what we have learned today, we don't have to write anything on the wall whenever we are visiting to any historical place. अगर हम किसी भी historical place पर जा रहे हैं, we will not write anything on the wall. Yes, we have seen how they are doing the arrangement of water. Water का arrangement कैसे करते हैं? By the help of step well and well. They are taking the water from step well and well, the persons who are living in the fort. Okay, so thank you everyone. We will continue with the next unit in the next video. Thank you.